Today we are going to learn about session management in Angular. So we have actually three options in Angular for session management. First one is cookie, second one is local storage, and third one is session storage. Okay, so if I'm talking about cookies, so with cookies there is an issue like it offers only a small size of storage, so it is not too much recommended because in cookies we can only save a small amount of data. So now we have two more options. First one is local storage and second one is session storage. In local storage we can actually save our information in browser itself. So we save our information in browser. Okay, first one. Second one, we can save up to 5 MB of data, 5 MB of data, which may vary depending upon actually the browser which we are using. And third one is actually we are saving this information in the form of key value pairs. Okay, key value pairs. So let us take one example. If I have to save my name, so name is the key and value is Achilles. So I have saved in this way key value pair. Okay, so now let us discuss what are the syntax used for storing data or getting data, or different ways, clearing data, all those things. So in local storage we can use local storage dot set item. Okay, in this way. And first of all we have to give the key. Let's say I wants to give name as a key and then value. For example, I'm giving Achilles as a value. So in this way what happens, it will take this information. Okay, it will take this information and save in browser these two information, key and value, in browser in the form of key value pair, like that. Okay, now this is for saving. Now I want to get this value back from browser, from local storage. So at that time I have to write local storage dot get item. Okay, and here the key like name. Okay, now it will go to the browser. Okay, it will go to the browser and search the value whose key is name. So it will go to the browser and search this key value and pick this key value pair back. Okay, so this is the way. Not only this string type, we are also able to save any data type, but one thing we keep in mind that it will always save the data in the form of string. So let us take one example to understand it more betterly. For example, I have a object, okay, with the name my object, and it contain two values, a name, okay, name like Achilles, and second one age, let's 30. Okay, so I want to save this information. Okay, I want to save this information in local storage. So what I have to do, I can use the same syntax as if I have to save this information, so I can use local storage dot, actually I have to save the set item, and here I need to give the key like object is the key and value here my object. But since it's object, it will show error, so I have to convert it in form of string. So how can I convert JSON dot stringify? Okay, so what I'm doing, I am stringify my object and then only I will pass it. So in this way it will save all this information. Okay, it will save all this information here in browser. Okay, and how can I get it? Whenever I wants this information, okay, whenever I wants this information, so it will give with the help of key. Let us check what is the syntax for it. Local storage dot get item, and now here I have to send the key, which is object in my case. Okay, so what happens here, it will take this object, okay, and go to the browser and take out this information and give it back. But there is an issue, it will give us stringified data, but we are expecting actually this object, okay, this object. So we need to convert it, actually we need to convert it. So one thing we can do, just a minute, okay, one thing we can do, we just write here json dot parse, okay, so it will parse our output in the form of object and it will return it. So if we want to save it somewhere, we can save here in X, okay, and use it. This is all about actually local storage. Now let us see what is actually session storage. So session storage is exactly same as local storage as we are seeing. Let me change the color so it will be more visible. Here we are at that time we are using local storage. Now we are using session storage, set item name and Rajesh Sharma. If I want to get this information, session storage dot get item name, I am sending key and it will return key value pair. In the same way, if I want to save this object, okay, so I can use session storage dot set item object, and here I am converting this object in the form of stringify, okay, and if I want to get it back, I can get it and then parse it into the object, and wants to save it, I can save it. So this is the way we can store and get all information about session. Now there is minor differences between session and local storage. What are these? Let us discuss. For example, session storage here, okay, and local storage, okay. I'm taking it here, okay. Okay, now it's a session storage and it's a local storage. Here I have made a spelling mistake. So there is actually, if I have saved certain information in session storage, it will destroy as I will close the browser. This is my browser, okay, this is my browser. If I have closed it, my session will lost. But in local storage, if I will close my browser, and I will come back, then also I am able to get my data, okay. This is the major difference. It persists my data, it will lose my data.